quick episode on how to remove your rear door on a Volkswagen Polo 9N and 9N3. Tools that you would need are small ratchet with M8, and I've got this on a 8mm socket. You want an extension with 13mm. We'll go ahead and disconnect your battery, open your door, and you have two bolts. You have M8 bolts just over here. You have a 13mm bolt just underneath over here. See, we have our cable connector for the door wiring loom. First thing you want to do is remove this rubber covering away, and just behind there you have two cables, one on the top, blue one over here, and you have another one on the bottom over here. So you have tabs on this side over here. Pull on the tab and just gently pull the cable away. Same thing with this one over here, just like that. And just like that. Go ahead and unbolt your 30mm bolt on the top, which is facing down. You can see we've got a bolt going from the top to the bottom, and this is like a cap which you unbolt, and then the door will slide from the top. Now we've done the top, the door's not going to go nowhere. We can go ahead and unbolt our M8. The top one we leave. You're going to unscrew the bottom one, take that totally off, and as you can see, we also have another pin going from the top to the bottom, holding this bracket onto the bracket of that, or the hinge shall I say. Once you've undone that, leave the top one. That's already done. Then we can just lift the door up and away. Okay, now go ahead and remove the M8. Once you removed the M8 from the bottom, 30mm from the top, and you disconnected both of the wiring loom, we can now go ahead and remove our door. All we have to do now is lift the door up and move it across. Go ahead and lift up the door and pull it away from the car. Guys, that's how you remove your rear door of a VW Polo 9N and 9N3. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, but see you in the next one.